The liquid line filter dryer. Where have you been installing yours? When installing your outdoor unit, bring your filter dryer inside and install it closest to your evaporator. Let's look at 3 reasons why. The first reason is if you install the filter dryer inside, this will cut down on line noise in the system. The second reason is that it will catch any contaminants before it reaches your evaporator. The third reason is the aesthetics of the system, or how the system looks. If you install the filter dryer inside, the paint will not peel and the filter dryer will not rust. Also, the outside line set going to your condenser will look a lot cleaner. Just remember, when installing your liquid line filter dryer, install it closest to your evaporator to reduce line noise, catch contaminants, and improve the overall look of your system. You can find more tips at edgetechhvac.com.